Hey everyone, welcome back to the AI Tech channel. Today, we're diving into something that completely blew my mind, Gemini Canvas. You know, I've been testing AI writing tools for years, from ChatGPT Canvas to Pseudowrite, and I thought I'd seen it all. But Gemini Canvas? This is a whole new level. Is it really that different? Can it actually replace a human editor? Is Google about to win the AI writing war? Let's find out. Google just dropped Gemini Canvas, a collaboration tool that's supposed to make writing and coding easier. Now, I'm a writer, so naturally, I was super curious to see if it could actually help me refine my work. And the fact that it's free for all users? That's a huge bonus. I've heard whispers about its potential, but I needed to see it for myself. So, I jumped in head first, and what I found was, well, let's just say I was floored. I started by uploading the first chapter of my novel to Gemini Canvas and hit enter. No prompting, no questions asked. The AI just went to work like a seasoned editor I'd hired. Okay, I've used other AI tools, and they usually ask me a ton of questions before doing anything. But Gemini? It just started analyzing my work right away. And the feedback? It was mind-blowing. Seriously, I've been staring at this novel every weekend for months, and I wish I had this tool sooner. If you've ever had writer's block, trust me, Gemini Canvas is a game changer. This is a serious breakthrough. I'm talking paradigm shift here. Gemini broke down my chapter into two sections: what works well and areas for improvement. The what works well section was incredibly detailed. It told me the opening was strong, the voice was clear and engaging, and the pacing was good. It even said my characters were well developed after only reading chapter 1. A few more of these positive points, and I was feeling pretty confident. I was like, okay, maybe I'm not a terrible writer after all. But then came the areas for improvement. And let me tell you, Gemini covered points that hadn't even occurred to me. My book is a dramatic mystery, and the AI told me I needed to clarify motivation, tighten up the descriptions, and suggested other areas that could make the story better. It was like having a professional editor point out all the flaws I was too blind to see. In a word, wow. I mean, this is the kind of feedback you pay good money for. But Gemini just gave it to me for free. This is where things get really interesting. So, naturally, I had to compare. I uploaded the same first chapter into ChatGPT Canvas. And the response? It told me the story was uploaded and then asked if I needed anything. Seriously? No analysis, no feedback, just a blank stare. Unlike Gemini, ChatGPT needed prompting if it was going to suggest edits and revisions. I thought, okay, maybe it just needs a little nudge. But the difference was night and day. This is a serious problem for ChatGPT. I asked ChatGPT if there were any areas in the story that needed improvement. Gemini had already given me quite the ego boost, so I figured I'd start with the negative. Unfortunately, ChatGPT only had a few small suggestions out of 3,000 words. At that point, I was curious, so I went ahead and asked ChatGPT what works well in the story. It gave me a very long list. Nice, but I use these tools for feedback, not flattery. For me, that's the Gemini difference. Gemini Canvas is far more thorough and detailed in its critique than ChatGPT Canvas. It's essentially a real editor. ChatGPT made me feel like my mom was editing the story and was sparing my feelings. No offense, Mom, but I need tough love when it comes to my writing. After receiving the feedback, I asked Gemini to go ahead and make the changes within the areas that needed improvement. The canvas is set up like a Google Doc, so users can make changes within the doc or export it to Google Docs, another perk of using Gemini. In this case, the AI made all the changes for me. It's like having a collaborative writing partner that never sleeps. But, and here's a big but, where were the changes? It told me the changes it made, but didn't highlight them like ChatGPT does. For example, it gave a character a small line, but I had to skim the entire chapter to find it. It would be helpful if the changes were easy to spot. It's a minor issue, but it's something that Google needs to address. This is a UX problem that could easily be fixed, and it would make the tool even better. Although I have written up to chapter 8 of this novel, I asked Gemini to help me develop chapter 2 just to see what would happen. It gave me so many different possible angles for the story that my head was spinning. I already have the story in place, but if I hadn't, I have no idea where I would have gone from there. I even asked Gemini, what do you think? But it told me to look over what worked well in the first chapter. In other words, Gemini is overwhelmingly thorough. This is both a good thing and a bad thing for creatives, as our heads are usually swimming with ideas. It's like Gemini is trying to give you every possible option, which can be both inspiring and overwhelming. Sam Altman has hinted that OpenAI has another writing tool in the works, but up until now, I've never seen a better writing collaborator. Gemini Canvas doesn't do the work for you, it guides you. If you're looking for an AI tool to write your next novel for you, this isn't it. If you have great ideas and need some guidance on how to shape your story and make it the best it can be, this is the tool for you. It's not just for novel writers. I can see Gemini Canvas being very useful for creatives working on essays, blogs, or any place where one may need a little extra feedback. It feels like expert advice, but it's just the power of AI. This is a game changer for creators. Are we looking at the future of collaborative writing? Gemini is getting another big upgrade, this time with a focus on collaboration, coding, and content creation. Starting today, Gemini users will get access to Canvas, an interactive workspace for refining documents and code, and audio overview, a feature that transforms everything from single files to deep research reports into podcast-style discussions. Google is really pushing Gemini as the ultimate AI collaborator. And with these new features, it's hard to argue. Whether you're writing a blog post, speech, or business report, Canvas allows you to quickly generate a high-quality first draft and make instant refinements with Gemini's suggestions. Need to make a paragraph more concise, professional, or informal? Simply highlight it and tweak the tone or length as needed. This is a huge time saver for anyone who struggles with writing. It's like having a personal writing assistant that's available 24/7. Canvas is also a powerful tool for developers. The feature simplifies coding tasks such as code generation and debugging. Whether you're creating a Python script, web app, or game, Gemini assists by generating and troubleshooting code within Canvas. If you're working with HTML or React, you can now preview your designs right within Gemini. For instance, you can build an email subscription form, tweak its elements, and instantly see how it looks. Need to modify input fields, buttons, or functionality? Make changes on the fly with Gemini's interactive suggestions. This is a game changer for developers. Imagine being able to code and debug in real time with the help of AI. This could revolutionize the way we build software. For those who prefer to absorb information by listening rather than reading, meet Audio Overview. This feature turns your uploaded documents, slides, and research reports into engaging AI-generated conversations. Gemini creates a podcast-style discussion between two AI voices that summarize your documents, highlight key insights, and engage in back-and-forth analysis. Whether you need to digest class notes, research papers, or lengthy email threads, Audio Overview helps break down complex information into digestible conversations. Listen via the Gemini mobile app or web and download audio files for offline playback. This is perfect for anyone who's always on the go. Now you can learn while you commute, exercise, or do chores. These new tools mark a significant step forward for Google's AI ecosystem, positioning Gemini as a productivity partner and useful collaborator. Whether writing, coding, or absorbing information, Gemini now offers more ways to assist in real time. Gemini Canvas and Audio Overview are rolling out globally today for Gemini and Gemini Advanced subscribers in all languages where Gemini apps are available. This is a huge win for Google, and it's going to be exciting to see how these tools evolve over time. ChatGPT isn't just a tool for answering questions. It's a creative powerhouse that can transform the way you approach problem-solving, entertainment, and personal growth. With the right prompts, you can turn it into a negotiation coach, a podcast scriptwriter, a game master, or even a mindfulness guide. These aren't just cool tricks. They're ways to make AI work for you in unexpected ways. I've tested some of the most innovative ways to push ChatGPT beyond the basics. One of ChatGPT's most powerful but underutilized features is its ability to adopt specialized personas that provide expert-level guidance in specific domains. Instead of asking generic questions, instruct ChatGPT to embody a particular expert or consultant role. When you frame your request this way, the AI shifts its perspective, vocabulary, and approach to match that expertise. This is a powerful technique that can help you get the most out of ChatGPT. If you've ever wanted to repurpose written content for audio formats or simply make dense information more engaging, this prompt technique can save you hours of rewriting. By asking ChatGPT to transform articles into podcast scripts, you can quickly create entertaining audio content from any written material. If you ask ChatGPT to generate a story or article, it may default to using Canvas, which doesn't support the app's read aloud feature. To work around this, simply include "Do not use the Canvas" feature in your prompt. ChatGPT will generate the text in the regular chat, allowing it to be read aloud. Then simply press the speaker icon at the bottom of the output and enjoy. This is a great way to turn your blog posts into podcasts or your research papers into audio summaries. Planning an engaging social gathering or team-building activity has just been made a lot easier. ChatGPT can design complete text-based escape room experiences tailored to any theme, difficulty level, or audience. What makes this prompt exceptional is how it combines storytelling, puzzle design, and adaptability into a fully customized interactive experience. Unlike physical escape rooms, these can be enjoyed anywhere and modified on the fly if players get stuck. This is a fun and creative way to use AI to create unique experiences. Personalized wellness content often comes with a premium price tag, but with ChatGPT, you can create custom mindfulness resources tailored to your specific needs. By generating guided meditations, breathing exercises, or affirmation scripts, you can address your unique stressors, schedule, and preferences. Combined with text-to-speech tools, this transforms written content into practical audio guides. Again, do not use the Canvas feature in your prompt if you don't see the speaker icon. Then press it to hear your personalized mindfulness meditation. This is a great way to use AI to improve your mental health and well-being. By having ChatGPT generate branching scenarios based on preferences, moods, or spontaneous choices, you can create a flexible evening with multiple possibilities. This approach adds an element of surprise while still ensuring all options align with your interests and constraints. The resulting plan can be followed exactly or used as inspiration, with real-time adjustments based on how the evening unfolds. This prompt also works equally well for solo adventures, family outings, or friend gatherings. This is a fun and creative way to use AI to plan your next date night or weekend getaway. Google is taking Gemini to the next level and giving users more for free, as the company announced new upgrades today aimed to make Gemini even more useful and personal. Upgrades include tailoring the chatbot's responses based on users' search history, enhancing deep research, and improving its connectivity with Google's suite of apps. Google is making a bold move by giving away some of Gemini's best features for free. This is a clear sign that they're serious about competing with OpenAI in the AI space. Gemini is getting more personal, which is the most significant update. New personalized responses, powered by Gemini 2.0 Flash Thinking, experimental, let Gemini now reference your Google search history to deliver more relevant answers. Don't worry, it asks for your permission before diving in. Letting Gemini have access to your search history lets the chatbot tailor its suggestions based on what it knows about your interests. Activating this feature begins in the Gemini app by opting into personalization, experimental. This option is not permanent. If you give it a try and change your mind, you can disconnect it. This is a game changer for personalization. Imagine having an AI that actually understands your interests and needs. This could revolutionize the way we interact with technology. First introduced in December, Deep Research was designed to help users analyze information, synthesize reports, and explore topics more easily with greater speed. Today, Google is rolling out Deep Research powered by Gemini 2.0 Flash Thinking, enabling users to generate detailed multi-page reports on virtually any topic in minutes. This upgrade improves Gemini's ability to plan, search, reason, analyze, and report, essentially becoming a full-fledged AI research assistant. Users can see how Gemini thinks as it browses the web, providing greater transparency into how it gathers and interprets information. Best of all, Gemini Deep Research is now free for all users, with Gemini Advanced subscribers getting extended capabilities. This is a huge win for researchers and students. Imagine being able to generate detailed research reports in minutes. This could save you hours of time and effort. The 2.0 Flash Thinking experimental model, which enhances Gemini's reasoning, efficiency, and speed, now includes a 1 million token context window for Gemini Advanced users. In other words, Gemini can process and analyze much larger datasets, making it even more capable for complex problem-solving and long-form content generation. Additionally, Gemini can now handle file uploads, allowing users to interact with documents and retrieve insights more effectively. This is a major upgrade for Gemini. The increased context window allows it to handle much more complex tasks and generate more detailed and accurate results. This is a game changer for enterprise users. Google is also expanding Gemini's reach within its own ecosystem. The AI assistant can now connect with calendar, notes, tasks, and photos, enabling users to make complex multi-app requests in a single prompt. For example, you can ask Gemini, look up an easy cookie recipe on YouTube, add the ingredients to my shopping list, and find grocery stores that are still open nearby. In the coming weeks, Google Photos will be added to this integration, making it easier to recall past events or organize personal memories through Gemini. This is a huge step towards creating a truly integrated AI assistant. Imagine being able to control all of your Google apps with a single prompt. This could revolutionize the way we use technology. Another big win for users is that GEMS, the custom AI assistants that specialize in specific tasks, are now rolling out for free. Whether you need a meal planner, language tutor, or workout coach, GEMS let you create a personalized AI assistant tailored to your needs. Users can even upload files when creating GEMS, giving them even more context and functionality. This is a game changer for customization. Imagine being able to create your own personalized AI assistant that's tailored to your specific needs. This could revolutionize the way we learn, work, and live. With these personalization features, Google emphasizes that privacy and user control are built in. Gemini will only use your search history when you've explicitly enabled it and will always display a clear banner when personalization is active. Users can manage and delete their data at any time. Google is taking privacy seriously. They're making it clear that users are in control of their data and can choose when and how it's used. This is essential for building trust in AI. Since its launch last week, the AI agent Manus has rapidly gained traction online. Developed by Wuhan-based startup Butterfly Effect, the AI community has taken notice, with more than 2 million people on the waitlist. Likening it to DeepSeek, Manus distinguishes itself as what it claims to be the world's first general AI agent, setting it apart from traditional AI chatbots. Instead of relying on a single large language model like ChatGPT, Grok, DeepSeek, and other conversational AI systems, Manus operates with multiple AI models, including Anthropic's Claude 3.5 Sonnet and fine-tuned versions of Alibaba's open-source Qwen. Additionally, Manus uses a network of independently functioning agents, allowing it to autonomously perform a broad range of tasks beyond simple conversation. This is a fascinating new development in the AI world. Manus is taking a different approach to AI by using multiple models and agents. This could lead to more powerful and versatile AI systems. So, there you have it. Gemini Canvas is a game changer for writers and coders. It's more thorough, more detailed, and more helpful than ChatGPT Canvas. Google is giving away some of its best features for free, and they're making it easier than ever to create personalized AI assistants. But Manus is also a new contender in the AI space, and it's taking a different approach to AI development. So what do you think? Is Gemini Canvas the future of AI writing assistants? Are you excited about the potential of Manus? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tech news and reviews. Thanks for watching.